Yarram, 187 acres of prime fattening pastures positioned on the edge of the Great Dividing Range. Just over 10 minutes to Dorrigo, 45 minutes to Coffs Harbour and 1 hour to Armidale.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Open Home Online.
And I'm John, and welcome to Yarram, some of Australia's best agricultural land.
The homestead has 2 bedrooms, a well-appointed kitchen with an abundance of living areas, 2 fully enclosed verandas complemented with floor-to-ceiling windows, providing spectacular views of the Pacific Ocean and the stunning escarpment countryside. The attached management office and accommodation also has a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a living room and a large bathroom. Commercially, Yarram is primarily a cattle fattening operation. The production of highly nutritious supplementary feed on the property is in addition to the extensively developed pastures, producing a unique quality product, with increasing demand both domestically and internationally. Yarram is drought-proof. There are valuable water licences that currently pump from 3 bores, and the Yarram Creek flows permanently along the northern boundary. Take a look at this stunning waterfall on your property. Extensive fencing has been installed to create 11 paddocks with interconnecting laneways. 2 stockyards are capable of processing 100 cattle at a time and have been thoughtfully located to enable access to B-double transport. The ability to ramp up production would be seamless. 3 new steel sheds, over 300 square metres in area, house the manufacturing plant that grow the feed supplement. Farm machinery is also housed here. Income potential is multi-layered. There is the fantastic accommodation, increasingly popular for farm stays. The cattle fattening operation with excellent scope for growth. The untapped potential of some of the most pristine spring water in Australia for an ever-increasingly thirsty world. What an opportunity! With water, food and some of Australia's best agricultural land, Yarram has incredible potential to grow.
Opportunities like this are rare. I'm Andrew.
And I'm John, and we look forward to taking you through.